Welcome back to my channel, Win's Life. I'm here in my kitchen again, and it is July 4, tomorrow. Today, yeah, that's okay, dear. Today, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. Best friend. That's my best friend. Tomorrow is July 4th, and they are here visiting us and going to have a July 4th with us, but I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I guess we're going to stay home on our July 4th. But it's our dinner time, and I am making, this is the very thin pork chop, and I just, where's my pounder? Like, if you guys saw my video, the chicken katsu, it's kind of the same process. I just pound the pork chop. It's a thin pork chop, and I just put some eggs, dip it on the egg, and then flour, then eggs, then the panko breadcrumbs, and I season it before I do all the dipping. So I'm going to deep fry it. And I also have, they brought some corn, and I'm boiling it. Look at how big this corn. I'm boiling it, and I'm going to season it, put some Parmesan cheese, and put it in the oven. And for probably like few minutes. We had some for lunch, and it's really good. So that's going to have a few more minutes. And I'm making some sinigang, oxtail sinigang. This is the taro. Oh, I wish I can show you. I'll put a picture. I will put a picture of the taro, like right here or right there, or down here, when it still has the rough skin. So that's the taro, which is gabi. Then I have string beans. This is the long string beans. This is not the regular beans. It's just the long string beans, and I cut in small pieces like this. And I have oxtail. So I'm going to make some sinigang with spinach leaves. Okay guys, we are going to deep fry the pork chop. Let's do 5 minutes. So that's all for that. And I'm just gonna continue frying this, and then I'll show you my sinigang. Filipinos love sinigang. We have to have sinigang. Next step, we're going to put some butter. Kerrygold. Only Kerrygold we use. Kerrygold. She's laughing over there. Silent laugh. She's shy. She's not like me. She's not like me. I'm not like her. Oh, makapal. Shy type. Unlike me. Spread some butter. Again, did I say that twice already? Or 3 times? So, really guys, it's not a lot of butter, okay? Because there's not much going to the... Not much. Not a lot going to the... whatever you call this. Just keep laughing over there. She's laughing at me. I have an invisible. I have an invisible best friend, guys. She's very pretty. I don't know why she don't want to be in the camera. No, she's shy. And then, after the butter, we're going to put some little bit of salt. All the sides. Then onion powder. Little bit of onion powder. This is actually not a cooking show, guys. It's laughing show. Garlic powder. Ay, ang dami. Garlic powder. And this is for you, Chris. Cayenne. You want cayenne?
Yeah.
Cayenne for Chris. Yuck. It's spicy. Do you want me to put, I'm not gonna put pepper on this one anymore, okay? Because it's cayenne. No? No more?
That's good.
That's good?
Do
Okay.
you want cayenne pepper on yours? You want it just like us?
Yeah, that's for Chris. Just cayenne pepper is just for Chris. So this is Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, just on that side, like that. Then I'm gonna do the rest, and I'm going to put it inside the oven. Okay. That's good. So that's our pork chop katsu, and I am boiling my sinigang over here. Look at the oxtail. Look at how big this one. So I boiled this for 3 hours because oxtail is very, very tough. So I boil it now that it's really, really tender. So we're just waiting for the taro or gabi to be tender, and then I'm going to add the spinach, and this is what I added. This is tamarind powder, sampalok tamarind powder. This is what I add to make it sour and tangy. And then I put salt, and there's a pepper. I don't know what kind of pepper is this. This is not jalapeno, right? Poblano? No. I don't know. I don't know. Comment down below what kind of pepper is that. And it's a soupy dish, guys. That's one of the Filipino famous dish called sinigang. And I have, maybe I put it down a little bit. And I'm gonna make some gravy for that. Mushroom gravy. And I'm going to fix Chris's plate. And this is the one for him. The one with the cayenne. So he's the only one is eating with the cayenne. And then his veggie. I made some steamed broccolini and carrots, baby carrots. And this is our dinner, guys.
Took 1 hour.
Took 1 hour for all of these with the sinigang. Then I am going to put some gravy. I made some gravy, mushroom gravy. Just like that. Yum, yum. There you go, guys. Here's our dinner. Time to eat, guys. Kain na tayo. Kaon tayon. Manganta na. Mangantamoy na. There you go, my love. Let's eat.
Like it.
Okay, guys. This is what the kitchen looks like after we eat. The reality.
You have one. You only have to do it. It says you may cancel during with no charge. So let's do it by
All the leftover. So now it is
this is
time
a key.
to
Yeah, right.
clean the kitchen. Now it's time to play. Oh no, not now. I have to clean all of this first, then we're gonna play game. It's the BAM. The BAM. It's
Morning. Ikaw.
we are playing our game.
Ikaw.
Ako? I didn't even
Wait.
see my card yet. Yeah, he dealt. Go.
Yo, Jerry, right? So it's your turn.
Yeah.
Isn't that what you said, Chris?
Ah.
No cheating. You're supposed to, warn us. I'm going.
Since this is nakabalaba na, this is what it's the game, guys. It's called Sequence. Ay, igano ko nga para makita natin. Ay, baligtad. Bakit
Turn it more, it'll go right side up. Now you can turn the screen up a little bit. Now that it's turned, you can turn it so you can see it.
Hmm?
You can flip it now so you can see it.
Hindi mo nakikita yung mga kamay natin eh. Poker face. Poker face!
Here we go.
Poker face and then you see your fingers. Tumahimik asawa mo.
Sira ulo ka talaga. Kawawa naman din.
Jerry, this is the time you can make your voice like James Bond.
This bounty bar did not disappoint.
I can tell.
I know. You got so quiet over there. You're like you're concentrating, chewing them. Okay, guys, it's time for some chocolate. We finished. Where's the cover for the bounty?
What's the cover?
After we eat this one,
We got this Hawaiian toast here.
we
too.
have this one, and we have this one. We're on chocolate high now. Oh, and we have this one. We have this one. What's wrong with these people? May
Oh, I didn't get a card.
ang aming pulutan ay chocolate.
Sa inyo.
Ano naman sa inyo? Hindi ka nagcho-chocolate?
Not that.
Mm.
That's how you cheating, right?
Mhm.
Kunwari. You wonder why we keep... I know.
Smooth, man. Bam! Ay!
What?
There we
There's
go.
no them for you, Jerry? You were
Here.
quiet about it.
There you go.
The tiles.
They're starting to get the
Oh,
jump.
you want to keep the free?
We could keep that.
So that's... Okay.
So they're starting to get all the jack again.
Jack.
Jack.
That was an unassisted BAM.
Ay, hindi ikaw.
Oh! No, I thought he just went.
Was that you?
That was yours.
I did.
Yeah.
Sorry.
See, I'm the one that pays attention. And I'm even in your team. And you're telling me not to move.
Did you hear the tone? It was...
You're on my team. You're supposed to be on my side. You guys are not nice.
No, we're not.
You guys are not nice. Mean people. How do you get all the jacks? You have another jack? Oh.
I've only had one. We have been doing it on natural.
Lagay sa 8 na spade dear.
8 na space.
No matter what we do, dear. No matter what.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh, I can see they have this one. Yeah.
I can't find this one on the table. It's not anywhere on the table.
Oh,
Oh!
That was.
Wow! That's how
was
many jack do you get?
That's just lucky, Win.
I can't believe
it's
it.
not like
You don't
have
have
them-
to do that.
We don't. Not like we have them up our sleeve or anything.
Who's
You already proved your point.
Oh well, guys, we're losers
Again.
again.
Win, I need one.
Huh?
One. Thank you.
Why do you feel imbalanced?
Yeah.
Hi guys! Happy 4th of July! We are supposed to bring the boat to the water, watch the fireworks, but there's a storm coming and the water is very choppy. So we are not going to bring the boat out and we're just gonna go to the park somewhere. Just watch the fireworks there. See you there. Happy 4th of July, people.
Okay, guys, since our firework is cancelled, so we are going to watch it on TV. There.